Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, active weather setting up. I'm tracking 3 days worth of precipitation starting early tomorrow evening into Wednesday and Thursday. That's not to say we have snow that entire time. In fact, most of the time it'll actually be rain, though it will start as snow tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. As mentioned, it's quiet. Skies are partly cloudy. We are dry and really no precipitation now through tomorrow morning. Morning commute looks fine. The wet snow beginning sometime after 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening. So it does coincide with the evening commute. We think it's high enough impact for a pinpoint weather alert for travel tomorrow evening. Only small amounts of snow, but sometimes that's all it takes to cause some slipping and sliding. About an inch of slush before we go over to ice, and then eventually all rain as mild air takes over later tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. So that mixture tomorrow evening, midweek rain both Wednesday and Thursday. I think the heaviest of the rain is going to be late Wednesday night into early Thursday. This will be coupled with some pretty strong wind as well. So this is another kind of a warm weather system. No snow or ice with this one. And then cooler weather by the end of the week and the weekend. Partly cloudy, moonlit skies in Providence now. Temp at 34 on a northeast breeze at 7. Humidity's been creeping up now at 70%. Smithfield coming in with partly cloudy conditions and a temperature at 32. Most areas right now checking in with readings in the lower 30s. The westerlies at 36, Newport 33, and New Bedford at 34 degrees. So the threat tracker now through tomorrow morning. Low level green will bump it up to yellow by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night in anticipation of that kind of a variety of precipitation. So partly cloudy skies right now. You can see all the moisture that we're tracking. And again, 2 storm systems. The first one is weaker. The second one through Texas, it's not much now, but this will get a lot stronger. Storm number 1, weak, but enough moisture to pass the area tomorrow evening with the wet snow, ice, and eventually rain. Storm number 2 will actually be the stronger one. This will intensify, but notice the track. It's further to the west, out towards the Ohio River Valley. We call those inside runners. That tends to produce gusty southerly winds, and as a result, it's a milder situation. So that Wednesday, Thursday time frame will be in the form of rain. All right, Futurecast, I'm going to walk you through this hour by hour. Starting off this evening and overnight, varying amounts of clouds and moonlit skies. Here we are tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., around 30, 31. A little bit of sunshine through the cloud cover. It's a dry morning commute. Kids heading out to school. There will be school. Do your homework. And then tomorrow afternoon around 2 o'clock, still dry, cloudy skies. But watch the left-hand side of your TV set. I'll step out of the way. Right over here, you see the precipitation working in. This blue represents wet snow. This is starting to move in around 5 o'clock in the evening, covering the entire area. 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. Watching the bottom of your TV set, the green, which represents rain, starts to advance to the north by 11 o'clock. But even as late as 11 o'clock, we're still painting frozen precipitation. Providence points north. But even there, an eventual turnover to rain is likely. Now, before that switch to ice and rain, up to an inch of snow. So certainly untreated surfaces becoming slippery, allow for some extra travel time, some reduced visibility. So for the morning commute tomorrow, again, we're looking good. Any sunshine giving way to increasing clouds. The roads are dry, temperature at 28, and then watch the sky and the precipitation move in and change by late afternoon and early evening. Reduced visibility, wet and kind of slushy roads, temperature at 34, and that'll continue through tomorrow night before the switch to rain. All right, 7-day Futurecast shows the warmer system, storm number 2, for Wednesday and into Thursday. The heaviest late at night, some strong winds late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. May need a high wind advisory with this. 55 on Thursday. Friday's cooler. Early call on the weekend is for a little on the chilly side. Temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s under partly to mostly sunny skies both Saturday and Sunday. Morning commute is fine. You may have to add an extra half hour to 40 minutes on the way home with the wet snow, the sleet, the freezing rain, and some of that reduced visibility. But a change eventually to rain around, say, 11 o'clock tomorrow night.
The hope is at this point in the year, we've kind of gotten used to the driving in it again. Because every year you have to get used to it again. But
we're good. We're seasoned at this point.
Yeah, exactly. All right, Tony, thanks. There's much